Ayon kay Marlon Martin ng Save the Ifugao Terraces Movement, mataas ang respeto ng mga sinaunang Ifugao noon sa mga bulol.
Doon sa mga mitolohiya nga, the bulol would magically increase the rice. Kaya meron ding practice na hindi mo binibilang dapat yung rice bundle sa loob ng rice granary. Kasi it would be insulting the bulol daw na ano. How people respected the bulol in the olden days, na siya natawag na rice granary guardian. Lahat naman ng mga ninuno natin nun, lahat ng something that would enhance harvest, something that would bring about abundant harvest, ay dinedeify natin, ginagawa nating Diyos.
Bukod sa pagpaparami ng ani, kaya rin daw ng bulol ang magpagaling ng sakit.
One of the more common purpose actually of bulol is yung sa healing rituals. Most diseases na associated sa bone diseases, blood, deformities, ina-attribute yan na the curse of the bulol. No? That's when a lot of people, those who have bulols, would carve the bulol and perform the tinagtag ritual or the bulol making ritual. Kasi delikado yung curse ng bulol. Once napasaktan mo siya or may nakursunadahan siya na ang effect nito sa mortals would be diseases na ginagawa mo yun para gumaling yung tao. The bulol, these are deities from the underworld. Yung mga Ifugao, dun sa old religion, we have more than 2,000 gods, no? And the bulol is but one of them. It's a family actually. It's a family of bulols. We don't have one bulol. Marami sila. Each area in Ifugao would have their own parang patron na bulol, no? So Kiangan, since it's the origin of the Baki religion of the Ifugaos, dito yung concentration ng mga maraming bulol.
Malaki ang naging epekto ng Kristyanismo sa pagbabago ng tingin ng mga tao sa halaga ng bulol.
But they're torn kasi ang instruction din sa kanila ng kanilang mga ninuno is, ingatan nyo yan, you maintain it. Hindi mo naman ma-perform na yung mga ritual kasi you're a good Catholic or you're a good Christian.